Go. Today we got a little clutch talk. Whether you know it or not, this place is really busy. I'm answering about 100 emails plus a day. We're shipping about 400 packages out a week. You know, thanks to you guys, it seems we've become, if not the top, one of the top places to get clutch related items. And because of that, I just get questions constantly. And when you get the same question over and over and over again, and we don't have a video on it, I like to make a video, and especially for emails, because if you ask that question, I can give you a much faster answer by letting you watch a video. So today's topic is why you do not necessarily want to rebuild clutches. And we are standing in here in front of my Razor with the OEM primary. I just picked this up off the shelf, and one of our secondaries. It's not necessarily about just Polaris. This can be about Can-Am, Yamaha, or anything else for that matter. And so we've been against rebuilding clutches for as long as I can remember. And you know, some people say, of course you are, because you sell replacement clutches. No, we've not been recommending you do it way before we've sold any clutch. So why do we recommend you don't do it? Now, it's mainly because you can't put metal back on this surface right here. This is the main surface where the belt runs. I ain't gonna pick it up, but where the belt runs, you can't put metal back. I had a guy the other day, 14,000 miles. I was like, no, you're missing 14,000 miles worth of metal. Second place you wear is inside the tower here from the buttons run on it. So sure, buy our tools, a couple $100 worth of tools, put you a new bearing, push the pins out, put new rollers in, put new buttons in if you want. But we've told people over and over again, the average miles you get after the fact is only about 200 to 400 miles. Now, I'm sure somebody's gonna comment below, well, I put 10,000 more miles on mine. Okay. As y'all heard me say a million times maybe, there's 98-year-old man been smoking cigarettes. His whole life ain't got cancer. He's the exception to the rule. All right, so it's just not that good of an idea. Secondary clutches, pretty much the same answer. If you got about the same miles on both clutches, it's a more or less same answer, because you have a belt surface on the secondary, once again, that you cannot put metal back. If you got one of the 16 and newer Razors or square pucks and you still got them, they probably ate into this aluminum. Putting our rollers in it is just too late. This is really just more or less a common sense, but I don't think people are thinking about these surfaces. And as I look in here, there's a bushing on these movable sheaves. And as it slides up and down there, they wear, bushing up here and they wear, and this thing just gets loose. And I just hate for somebody to spend money. I joke with people, sure, buy our $200 worth of tools if you like, but it probably ain't gonna last. So buy our tools if you want. But nonetheless, it's just short video, relatively short, to put something in your brain to give you an idea why we don't recommend it. And like I said, we're sitting in front of Polaris, but Can-Am's the same thing. You got the same wear points, it doesn't matter. Now granted, Can-Am's got 6 points on their clutch versus 3, spread out that load on this part, but this part's gonna be the same. All right, so got any questions? Hopefully you don't. That's kind of the purpose of the video. Todd at Hunterworks.com. Appreciate you.